India ga yumthangnariba apikpa lebak hama oiriba Nepal da chahi chakayagi mamangdagi chatnaraklaba Guthi community system na lebak adugi lining laishol amadi heritage kamari leinaba thabak sing tawduna lakli makoina paikhatpa thabak singi manungda lebak adugi ising thokfam ifut sing ngak senduna thamba asina miyamda ising marangkaina fanghanaba maram ama oiri asigumba ifut kanbagi thorang asi Chingna question nuna laiba Manipur gumba lamda Pakistan paikhatpagi tangai fadaba lairabra haibasi khananingai oiri hiramasigi matangda SKTV news ke chief reporter Khatrumayum Premchandagi akhanaba paudam ama
Malem pumada aying asa nongyu nungsagi khal kaitharak pana maram oiraga miyoiba khunaida chaitheng kya piba horokli haina export kya na lauduna lakli masigi manung chana Manipur yauna India gi awang puk lamgi state singda ising phangdabgi khudong chadaba tamna tamna thingnaba horokpa sisu ama oiri matang asida lenga ki thorang ya matangai fade adubu ekhoi miyam su saruk yaduna ising thokpam ifut sing ngak sen ba yauna ekhoi gi akoi bagi saktam yokhatpa asina khwairi ki maruiba thorang oigini haibasi achetpa thajabane masi khudam haibabu Nepal gi maru oina Kathmandu du leiba Guthi community system na mayek seng takli Nepal gi ina khulaba culture chaknabi nat lining laishol amadi heritage singbu ngak senabagi damak manga suba chahi chada Guthi system hawdokhi chingi mafam kya dagi thorakpa ifut ki singbu lai gi senglaba laija irit ni khanna sizinaba amadi ising thokpam ifut adubu ngak senduna thamba asina lebak adugi miyamna mahausa lairemibu thajai haibasi takli Iputtagi thorakpa ising adubu miyamda phanganabagi damak chingdagi pipeline semduna tampakta puruktuna ifutki ising adu phangpham semduna thamli mafam adubu hiti haina khangnai hiti asi chahi lising amaga changmagi mamangdagi leheklaba Nepal gi ifutki ising phangphamni asigumba lamdam adugi learning laishol amadi culture ga mailena ba mafam asibu ngak senba amadi ising thorpham ifut adubu ngak senbagi thabak Guthi community na tawri wafam singasi Manipur lenga ki Directorate of Environment and Climate Change ki Media Resource Center na senduna haukiba me anidagi mga fawba Nepal gi Kathmandu da chatkhiba cool learning kam exposure visit tagi khangmangam lakhibani khongjat adugi manung chana Kathmandu da leiba Lalitpur gi Patanda unakhiba Nepal gi researcher Rishi Amatriana hiti gi matangda asumna hai
most of the water heating here in Kathmandu Valley comes to us from 3rd century to 8th century timeline. But people even before that, before here, so we were living here from 300 BCE to 3rd century, they knew the Kathmandu Valley people, they knew a lot about natural spring water sources. So a lot of our water is not only water sources that just comes to us from the ground, natural spring water source, but also something that has been over-engineered or like engineered to perfection.
Amaromda Lalitpur gi Patanhari mafam asida chahi khudingi nongdutha mamangda Rato Machindranath Yatra kauba kumai amasu pangthoi haina Rishi Amatriana fongdorakhi kumai asi haudringaida mafam adugi akoibada leiba pukri pat yauna ising leiba mafam sing ningthina sendokpugi chanabi lei kumai adu pangthoklaba matungda nong churakani haibagi thajanabi lei hairi masina mafam adugi miyamgi learning laisholga mahausaga naksini haibadu mayek sengna takli
When water falls here, what the people did was they started building aquifer in the terms of ponds at the base of the hills over here, and they started bringing water to the main city center. So when the festival comes, what the people of the valley used to do was that make sure that all of the canals, all of the ponds are at the maximum level, because once the rainwater starts coming in, it will be very impossible to clean all of the water sources. So when the chariot was being pulled over here, the people of the community of those areas made sure the ponds were clean and all of the canals were clean, because once the deity starts ruling, once rain will come in anytime, and people will be so engrossed with the jatras. Jatra meaning like the celebration. They'll be so engrossed with the celebration, they will not have any time to do anything else.
मियोइबन हिंगबद चंगलिबा इसिंग फंगनबा होनबा हाइबसी पाइपलाइन खक सेमना यारोय पॉलिसी तंगाई फदे अदुबु मियामना सरुक याद्रबदी पॉलिसी खुदिंगमक निंथिना चनहनबा ngamloi हाइबसी मणिपुरदसु थेंखांग कयादा थेंगनखरे मरम अदुना इसिंगी अवाबा मायोकनरबा मणिपुरदसु इफुट कन्नबा लेंगांगना पाइखलकपा थोरांग सिंगदा हेना मतेंग पांगसिंदुना इसागी इरन निखन्ना हरकलिबा मियोलगिदमक एखोय खुदिंगमकना खोंगफम चेना लेबली हाइबदु उत्पगी मतम यौद्रिब्रा हाइबसी कंथाबगी तंगाई फदबा लेरी SKTV न्यूज के नमक खेत्रीमयूम प्रेमचंद